driving into northwestern Montana. Such a beautiful area, known for its wild huckleberries. Huckleberries look like a small blueberry, if you will. Different colors, shades of blue. And they're not farmed, they're a wild berry. They're found near streams, and they're in mountain valleys where the grizzly bears roam. But they're delicious. They can sell for over $100 a gallon. Huckleberry pie, one of my favorites. Huckleberry ice cream. Huckleberry milkshakes. Huckleberry cobbler. Now, picking huckleberries isn't anything like picking cultivated fruit. You have to go out in the wild. So we're out here in the mountains in Montana looking for huckleberries. I can't wait to put these in my pancakes.
There's your huckleberry.
He's a legend of the huckleberries.
Yeah, Huckleberry Jack. I'll tell you about huckleberries. Our delicacy. So they're purple gold, you know.
These guys eat.
Well, you got to do the quality control on them, you know.
Yeah. How often do you quality control?
When you get that feeling, you know.
Huckleberry Jack, thanks so much. Thanks, have a good day.
Is there like a specific technique on finding them?
Yeah, but I can't tell you.
Why is that?
It's like your fishing hole. You don't tell nobody where your fishing hole is.
There's nothing like a huckleberry. You know, it's not a blueberry, it's not a raspberry, it's a huckleberry. And I'm here in Hungry Horse, Montana, the huckleberry capital. I just found out that you can put huckleberries in everything from syrups and jams and jellies to milkshakes. But I'm in the mood for huckleberry pancakes.
Everybody get up.
All right, the pancake flip contest is on. And go! Oh, man, the winner! An undisputed pancake flipping champion, Whitefish Wes.
Hi, my name is Nadine Ross, and we are here in Whitefish, Montana. And for the past 5 years, we have been hosting the Huckleberry Days Pancake Breakfast for the Whitefish Wrestling Club. We host this breakfast every year to raise funds for our wrestling club, which helps support our little guy wrestling program specifically. And so it's a fundraiser for that, and then it also helps some of our older students go to camps around the state. So here in Montana, especially in Northwest Montana, we have a very special commodity called huckleberries. It's so special that if you ask someone, it's like a fishing spot where they pick their huckleberries. They're not gonna tell you. So we host a Huckleberry Festival here in Whitefish, Montana, where members of the community, actually people from all over the Northwest, come to celebrate Huckleberry Days. And so we set up right here just outside the festival, and we get a lot of traffic here, and we make thousands of pancakes every year, which, as you can imagine, is a lot of work to make a bunch of pancakes outside. And so this year it's been especially awesome because Blackstone Products donated us 4 new griddles. And so we're able to really just crank out those huckleberry pancakes and the sausage, and it makes it really nice for the community to be able just to come through and get a really nice hot, fresh pancake straight off the griddle.
I've had a blast here in northwestern Montana, hanging out with the locals and eating all kinds of huckleberry treats. Whitefish Wrestling Club just showed us how they do it. Blackstone Griddles, they cooked up thousands of huckleberry pancakes. And if you want to get the huckleberry pancake recipe, just go on out to blackstoneproducts.com.